Yo, what's good everybody? Today we're taking a quick look at the Air Jordan 1 in the Marina Blue colorway. Now this is an early review and these are set to release on February 16th. Now if I'm not mistaken, these were supposed to release January 22nd. I could be off a few days, but yes, this got pushed back and I think maybe overseas they did release. I don't know, this one has been really weird, so if you guys want to stay updated with the current release dates and all that, I have a link down below in the description. Before we get this video started, I want to give a huge shout out to my family over at Twin Soles for supplying this early pair. That's who I go to for all my early pairs. So if you guys need any early pairs, make sure to hit the homies up. I'll also have them linked down below. Now for today's video, we're going to be reviewing a size 10 pair of the Marina Blue Jordan 1s. Whenever I purchase a pair of Jordan 1s, I always go true to size. So if you haven't had a pair, go true to size. But yeah, let's get into it. The Marina Blue Air Jordan 1s. A lot of you guys said that you like the POV angle because it feels like you're here looking at the shoe, you know what I mean? So make sure you guys have that 4K on so you guys see this in its full entirety. Starting off, obviously, this blue looks very similar to what we've seen in the past. When I first saw these things, I was like, yo, this is basically like a pair of Royal 1s. The color blocking is very similar. And for those of you that don't have a pair of Royal 1s yet and you're just looking for a pair of blue sneakers to add to your collection, I think these may be it. When it comes to Jordan 1s, I always love this outsole and midsole combination. Whenever it comes to any weather conditions, I know I could count on the Air Jordan 1 sole to make sure I don't slip and I don't break my back. I mean, there's some shoes out there that are dangerous, like the Nike Cortezes. Bro, try wearing those in a public restroom. You might slip and you might break something. And on top of that, I love how the midsole just stays intact. These things, they last forever. So if you guys are looking for a shoe that lasts a very long time, a Jordan 1 is something that I highly recommend. Now, I've watched a few reviews on this sneaker and I feel like a lot of people were knocking on the quality and everything, so we'll get right into that. The entire upper is crafted with a smooth leather. Now this leather is different from other Air Jordan 1s that we've seen, such as, you know, the Royals, the Shattered 1s, Shattered backboards, breads, etc, etc. So I think a lot of people are just comparing, you know, the tumbled leather versus the smooth leather, and they feel like when you see the tumbled or the wrinkledness, that's how you tell the quality of the leather. But let me show you guys something real quick. So this doesn't have the shoe tree in it, but it's actually pretty plush on the toe box. I actually forgot that I had this pair, so I just unboxed these and I was looking at the toe boxes and I was like, man, this is a perfect comparison right here to leather quality. So these released a while back. I want to say maybe half a year ago. I could be wrong, but they've literally been sitting in my closet and I totally forgot about them. So look at the quality of the leather, right? We both have smooth leathers, okay, on both shoes. When I press this one, you see how everything just kind of like, I don't know, it kind of moves all at once, while this one, it kind of just presses down in this area instead of, you know, moving the sides and all that. So you can see there's definitely a difference in quality when you're talking about the Marina Blues versus these Hyper Royals. Is that what these are called? Bro, I don't even know. Something Royals. But yes, there's definitely a difference. And I just wanted to clarify that because I feel like a lot of people, they got things a little misconstrued. So everybody reach out, feel this pair. Pretty stiff, okay. And then feel this pair. There's a little bit more give on this one, all right? I mean, even for myself, I was gonna be a very, very harsh critic when it came to these, but once I saw it and compared it to those Dunk Highs, I was like, you know what? Maybe the leather isn't as bad as everyone says it is. Take that with a grain of salt. That's just my humble opinion, but I felt so many shoes and I can tell when, you know, something is trash and when something's decent, all right? Now, these aren't super duper high quality, but these are decent. I would say maybe like a 6.5 or 7 out of 10. This would be like a C in school, all right? So not bad, not bad. Now this pair originally came with blue laces laced in here, and I actually did a few different iterations just to ask you guys for your opinion on what looks best. So this shoe came with the blue laces in there, and I feel like the blue is a little bit too much blue going on. I felt like we had to switch it up just a little bit. So I actually tried a pair of cream laces, and I thought that looked pretty cool, but since the midsole was a little too white, I wasn't really feeling that because it just felt like it was a little bit off. But once I threw the black in there, I was like, yo, I think we got something special. I like how this shoe looks with the black laces. You guys let me know, are you doing the black laces, blue laces, or white, or even cream? If you've been watching this channel for a while, you already know how I feel about white insoles. I don't know if there's any place for a white insole ever in footwear, right? Because they get so dirty. Like, your feet are resting on this thing all day, every day, and your dirty socks and musty Frito-Lay toes and fungus among us and all that. Like, white never looks good on an insole. So that's one of my biggest complaints about this shoe is the insole right here. I wish it was like a dark blue insole or even a black insole would be cool, but we got a white insole on this one. That's my only thing if I'm being real picky. But other than that, I think this is a great shoe for anybody that doesn't have a pair of Royal Ones yet. And that's because these are a lot more accessible, and it seems like they're gonna have a decent amount of pairs. Now, if you guys are asking me if I think these are gonna sell out, I do think they will sell out. They're gonna be pretty difficult to get just because, you know, the Air Jordan 1 is such a classic model, and I feel like a lot of people are still into it, even though there's been so many colorways that have been pushed out. But this is the first colorway of 2022, if I'm not mistaken. And the fact that this colorway is very reminiscent of an OG colorway, I think this one is going to sell out quick. But the good news is that this is only going for like $220-ish right now on StockX, and this is a few weeks away from the actual release date. So if I were you and I was trying to get them, I would wait until release date, try your luck, check the sneakers app, check your local stores, and if you're not able to get it, I mean, I don't think it's too much of a stretch paying a little bit more for resale on these if you really like them. But that is going to end this review on the Marina Blue Air Jordan 1s. Let me know if this is a cop or a drop for you guys. Personally, this is going to be a drop for me. I only purchased this pair for this video, and usually I would say that these are for sale, but someone actually already bought these, so huge shout out to you, bro. I appreciate it. Now I could go ahead and buy more early pairs for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll catch y'all very soon for the next one. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. Have a beautiful day. I'm out. Peace. Shoo.